Before you embark on your Slingshot adventure, please listen to this important safety message to learn more about how to safely operate the Slingshot responsibly. As you learn more about the capabilities of your Slingshot, keep in mind there are dangers and risks involved in the operation of this vehicle that can result in serious injury or death. The Slingshot must only be operated by drivers 25 years of age and older with a valid driver's license and, in some states, a motorcycle endorsement. Verify all local regulations and laws with the check-in-out agent prior to rental. All passengers must be tall enough to sit with their backs against the seat, both feet flat on the floor, and seat belts securely fastened. Never install a child safety seat in this vehicle. When selecting riding gear, the first thing you need is a helmet to protect your head. Always wear a helmet that meets or exceeds established safety standards, like the one provided with the rental. Approved helmets in the USA and Canada bear a U.S. Department of Transportation (DOT) label. Laws in some areas require that riders wear an approved helmet. Wear eye protection to protect eyes from wind or airborne particles and objects. Laws in some areas require that you wear eye protection. Make sure protective eyewear is kept clean. The three-wheel Slingshot vehicle is an on-road vehicle in the motorcycle class. It handles differently than two-wheel motorcycles and other three-wheel vehicles. The Slingshot is designed for on-road use by one operator with one passenger. Driving off-road, driving at excessive speeds, driving with more than one passenger, or carrying weight exceeding the maximum weight rating can make handling difficult, which could cause loss of control resulting in injury or death. Until you're thoroughly familiar with the Slingshot and all of its controls, practice driving where there is little or no traffic. Practice braking in a safe area to become familiar with the feel of the Slingshot brakes before driving in traffic. To start the engine, turn the key to the on position. You should hear the fuel pump run momentarily as it pressurizes the fuel system. Depress the brake pedal, then depress the clutch pedal fully to disengage the clutch. Press and release the one-touch starter switch to start the engine. When fully stopped, move the ignition switch to the off position. Remove the ignition key and engage the park brake. Driving while distracted can result in loss of vehicle control, accident, and injury. Do not use a mobile phone or other handheld device while operating the vehicle. Reduce speed in wet conditions. Pay particular attention if water is beginning to pool on the road. Three-wheeled vehicles behave differently than other vehicles when driving over deep water. Keep in mind that your Slingshot is not designed to straddle debris or puddles in the road. Use caution when encountering debris or puddles on the road. Do not ride when you're fatigued. Fatigue, alcohol, and drugs can cause drowsiness, loss of coordination, and loss of balance. They can also affect your awareness and judgment. Ride defensively, as if you are invisible to other motorists, even in broad daylight. Ride where you're clearly visible to other motorists and observe their behavior carefully. Always be prepared to take evasive action. When leaving the vehicle unattended, turn the engine off and engage the park brake. Remove the ignition key to prevent unauthorized use. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your ride.